Infinito tren, cuánto tiempo, pasajeros pasan y se van. El destino está lleno de andenes, en alguno tendré que bajar. Y aunque volveré a embarcarme, embrujada por el loco azar, solo al mover me conozco y encuentro mi único hogar. Algo en el espacio entre un lugar y otro me consuela, me ofrece claridad para pensar, para sentir mi más sincera voluntad. La voz del tiempo es la única verdad que tengo. No, 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 no se acaba. No, 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 no se acaba.
Whoops. Thank you, Bert Chop. Studying for what? Licenses, certificates of software. What made you get into trading? Is it something you love and doing long term? Yeah, I mean, it's good, bro. Like it's pretty good. I've been doing it for, 4.5 to 5 years. So I do enjoy it. The whole community thing came though, because I was a bit bored of just doing this shit, and wanted to go into other things like personal brand, start a community, all that shit, So, what made me get into it is that I hated working. I fucking hated it and needed to get out. So I did a few different side hustles or whatever years and years and years ago, just trying to get out. And then I found trading and I just stuck with it. I just knew that I needed to stick with something. What EMA do I use? The 9. How he day trading at night. Australia, the land of opportunity. Yeah, definitely not. Yeah. How does day trading work? You speculate on different markets, buying and selling, predicting that it will go up or down. I mean, there's no predicting in it. It's 50-50 either way, but you can make calculated decisions. I make profit, then lose it again. Any advice? Join my Discord and message me. I can't go through all of that shit right now. Maybe if it tones down a bit or I get through all these messages, puts on GM thoughts. I don't know, I don't trade options. Who can I follow to get cash? I don't know. It's just that Australia is one of the only countries with sense. People think normally here, more normally than other countries, I'd presume, yeah. How long does it normally take to make profit on trading? Depends who you learn from. If you learn from a complete fucking moron, you'll end up like me and be demo for 2 years, which is what I did. It took me 1.5 years to find someone that was decent that I could learn from. And then 6 months later, obviously I had a lot of market knowledge within 1.5 years. And then that 6 months I was, learning from someone good, very knowledgeable, and I was profitable pretty quickly too. So, and then I went live after 2 years. Any. What'd you say? Staying true, what was that? Thank you very much for following me. You trade NQ? I do, but not right now. Not right now. Just the price action, because I use a version of opening range breakout like Tom Hugard, similar to Tom Hugard's on the indices. But at the moment, the current price action on open is just fucking atrocious. So I don't touch it right now. It's been like 2 weeks, but I've been doing that for 1.5 years, maybe 2. No, probably 1.5 years. Upper Rando, how the fuck do you know my nickname? How the fuck do you know my nickname? The fuck? This bloke is one of the few legit traders that exist. Thank you, Cooper. How the fuck do you know my nickname? It shouldn't be on anything new. Everyone used to call me Rando. Oh, actually, they still do. What's your main go-to pairs? Bro, I trade 28 different pairs. Like, something super volatile, pound CAD. Pound CAD's pretty good. Euro US dollar is pretty easy as well if you're learning out or starting out. Henry, bro, I've been teaching myself since 14, now 17. I'm a farmer machine operator doing 17-hour days plus. Fucking, bro, good job. I really respect that shit. It's not easy. Here I am complaining about 14 to 16-hour days sitting in front of a computer. That's tough shit. So good job, bro. Good job. But yeah, keep doing it. Keep teaching, learning. Trish Clark, thank you very much for following me. You guys, the method. What was that? Sorry. Opinions on TJR. I get this a lot. Rando, I messaged a chat, lad. I'm off to bed. I'll wait for your message. Easy, bro. Easy. When I jump off here, I'll start replying to everyone and shit. So yeah, it's all sweet. Opinions on TJR. He rug pulled his whole fucking community multiple times, so it's a bit scummy, that sort of thing. And his trading seems super overcomplicated. I haven't looked into him. I need to because I get this a lot, but his trading looks exceptionally overcomplicated. And the whole prop firm thing was real sus too. It was real sus. I don't think it was what he made it out to be honest. But yeah, I don't know. Jacob Brown followed. Thank you very much. Thriving GG. Thank you very much. Follow me. Beginner here, living on the Gold Coast. Mad. What's the best trading platform to start on? Black bull markets. MT4. Black bull markets for broker in Australia. You just have to. You literally just have to. And MT4. Join the Discord. Discord's linked to my bio. Send me a message. It's free. And oh yeah, I reply to all my messages, help a lot of people out, do it all for free. How the fuck do people know my nickname? That's so weird. What's the easiest way to get started with trading? Education. You just got to start educating yourself, get on a demo account, find a broker that you like. Depending on where you live, it's going to be different for the majority of places that you live, because different countries have different regulations that they need to adhere to. So focus on education. If you're a very, very, very beginner, I'd say watch my 1 hour free YouTube video on just the complete basics, and then jump over and message me on Discord with any questions that you have, and then we can go from there. Again, I give a lot of shit away for free. I do have a paid community, but that's because I've developed an expert advisor that gets me in and out of trades for me, and people want one-on-ones and fucking, further education and want to take it really seriously. So that's more for the people that are taking it very seriously. And it's fuck all. It's $47 a month. I charge fuck all. I get paid fuck all from this too. Literally fuck all. What platform do you mainly use? MT4. I only use MT4. Nanda Knight, thank you very much for following me. Bowdy, thank you very much for following me. Bro, I'll admit it's hard work, but I don't want to be doing this for ages. I want to go far. We're trading. Good. Good. Are you in the fucking Discord yet? Why not just trade instead of beg for pennies on TikTok? What? Get your certificates and license. You could retire at like 40. Hedge fund manager be that. 3% portfolio gain today. Fucking hell, that's big. On what? Paper? What's that on? Bro, there's no way this guy said that. There's actually no way. Bro, there's no way. I love the internet. Anything what? If you were good at trading, you wouldn't need to. Do you see me begging for pennies on TikTok? Does no one know about personal brand building, communities, marketing? The internet's just weird. 2% today. That's huge. If you don't use it, but what's your thoughts on Kraken? I have no idea what that is. Who's getting 3% gains in a day? The fuck? Yeah, it's pretty hectic. Bro, stop begging for my pen. I know, bro. Sorry. Shit. I apologize, man. I apologize. I literally get I've made from TikTok, honestly, because some people come in here and they give me gifts and shit. I think it's $100 or $200 enough to pay for groceries for 3 days. and my community, my fucking course and shit, I have about 10 people in there, which I want to keep it small too, at $47 a month. Hello? Fuck. Bowdy sent me a heartbeat. Yeah, give me the fucking gifts. Give me the gifts, please. Give me the gifts. Fucking Jesus Christ. Thank you, bro. Thank you, though. Thank you. What do you teach in your course? Well, the majority, I've got my strategy, and so I've developed a expert advisor, which is a trading bot that gets me in and out of trades. Took me months to develop. So, and people sell these things for fucking thousands of dollars. So it's in there. Plus I do one-on-ones. I got fucking fundamentals, macroeconomics, my whole strategy broken down in like an hour video. There's like a couple hours worth of videos in there. Plus you get one-on-ones for free, and you can talk to me whenever the fuck you want. Unless I'm asleep, I'm talking, like I'm available, you know. What's the most you made in a month profit? I can't, I can't disclose that, but it was on a US dollar yen trade during an intervention in October 2023. Actual traders don't sell courses. Okay, buddy. I'm keen, possibly. Sure, yeah, hit me up on Discord. Just join the free Discord. There's no pressure to do anything. Like, I'm not stressed about that shit. I kind of like teaching people, and I like getting the nice messages about fucking all this shit. So, you know, it's completely up to you. But there's lots of value. Lots and lots of value for pretty much one of the cheapest in the industry. Because I don't believe in charging a lot for this shit. Stop begging for my pennies. Sorry, Bowdy. Sorry. Please give me more. Give me more. Fuck. Jesus. Holy fuck. Did you make bank yesterday, bro? I think I did. Let me open the VPS. Nothing on that account. So I didn't bank anything on that account. And I did 1.58%. Which I've actually, last month I had an insane month. Because on average, monthly, I'll bank like 7.5%. On average, sometimes worse, sometimes more. But last month I did 21.22%, which I've only had a couple of months that have been bigger than that. So I was like, fucking hell. Yeah, but people will pay for knowledge that we need to begin with. That's true. And I give away a lot of shit for free. A lot of shit for free. Sus on the bots, not sure how they work, but one-on-one sounds decent. And you can be like, bro, there are so many bots out there that are just so bad. But I've done extensive testing. If you look at my YouTube, there's colossal backtesting data from my bots that show that it makes profit. Like, it's just over multiple year periods. Like, you can't really argue with that data. Obviously, in the future, things are going to change. Shit changes, but, you know. Not wrong to heal, bro. There's a lot of shit I want to do and do solo with no one's help. Good stuff. Nothing screams successful trader like needing to hustle TikTok courses. I completely get your speculation, Wolf, and I'm completely okay with it. I am fully transparent with everything. I don't give a shit. Like, I literally don't care. People can join, people don't have to join. It does not bother me at all, and I do not blame you for being speculative and saying the shit that you're saying. It's fine. I don't ban people a lot, but if you take away too much from the stream, then I just have to, you know? but you're fine to be speculative. If you have anything that's constructive, I'm happy to talk about it. But besides that, like if you take too much away from the stream, I have to do it. But I'm an open book, so yeah. Dues are funded, no. Is it another income to add to the book though? It is another income. Well, exactly. Well, I literally make 40 cents an hour so far from doing all of this shit, so. And I don't really give a fuck because I make money trading. But personal brand's a big thing now too. And the networking that I've got from doing this stuff as well, like, it's actually fucking insane. I'm not even big either. There's fuck all people that follow me. And I probably will never be big because I don't sit here and scalp the market and fucking blah, 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 you know what I mean? So, yeah. How much money would be like the lowest you can put in for some back? Well, on average, profitable day traders like between 3 and 10% per month, 10% being really good. So if people are gonna say 50, 60% months and shit like that on the internet, but it's all horse shit. So yeah, base your capital off of that. So if you put $100 in, expect $3 to $10 back. Potentially, if you're profitable. Like, good starting point. Hold on, I gotta mute this fucking violation detected bullshit. I get it so much. But my first ever account was 20. I put 20 in, but I'd been doing it for 2 years, and yeah, you must have banked hard off Trump coin. Nah. I think I put like $50 in that actually. And it's probably still in it. I actually have no idea. I literally have zero clue. I don't know. Should I full port CPI? Yes. Fuck. What do you use to backtest? MT4. The strategy tester. Because I developed my own bot, you know, you need to use bots on MT4 to backtest. I've developed my own, so I can just backtest it whenever I want. I'll do it I'll literally do it live. If you go to YouTube, I'll run a backtest live. I don't care. Cheers for the advice, bro. Ares, thank you very much for following me. Anytime I'm going for my data analysis test, I'd much rather be an analyst. You're good at phone. Okay. Where and how do I get started? Join my Discord. Discord's linked in my bio. There's a video on the complete basics in there. And just jump in. Hit the 3 dots. When you click the link tree, hit the 3 dots, open external browser, and then click on the Discord because, yeah, it's a bit fucked. TikTok's just a bit weird with opening links. Should I invest my mortgage on Dogecoin? Fuck. Thoughts on CoinSpot? Not gonna lie, I don't even know what the fuck that is. Is that a crypto exchange? Oh, it's fucking so hot in here. Hold up, guys. Oh god, that's 16 degrees. That's gonna be so cold. CoinSpot. Oh yeah, it is. They look alright. They look fine to me. Yeah, I don't know. I have a guy, I got offered a job at SwiftX, so I trust them. But fucks me, I trust them. Doesn't mean I know anything about their firm or any of these fucking firms. I got zero clue. How would quantum computing affect SHA-256 security, and how can Bitcoin stay safe? Sorry.
How could quantum computing affect SHA-256 security, and how can Bitcoin stay safe?
I don't fucking know. What the fuck? You were in here before saying some weird shit, I'm pretty sure. Like the other day. I don't even trade Bitcoin. Like, is this like ChatGPT? Did you use ChatGPT? Like the most fucking disabled question to ask?
HH256 algorithm.
What the fuck? 6813I82. Thank you very much for following me. How long you been doing this? Oh, errors, send a heart me. Thank you. Thank you very much. I appreciate that a lot. I don't know if I said that before, but thank you, thank you, thank you. I don't need any gifts. No gifts. 4.5 years to 5 years, around there, I've been trading. Been doing social media for 2-3 months. Hey, Harris. Yo, yesterday. What about yesterday? He definitely did, yeah. Thoughts on T for trade? Look at reviews. And act like it too. I think T for trade's reputable. I trade with Black Bull. Depends where you live. Like, where do you live? Black Bull's my go-to. They're super reputable and the best fucking leverage you can get in Australia. Without going to some fucking Bermuda fucking broker. And act like it too. What? You didn't say anything else. You just said, and act like it too. Maybe it got filtered out. I gotta make sure. I gotta fucking make sure that TikTok's not filtering anything else out. Because I feel like people's shit is getting filtered out. Oh, we hit 1,000 likes. Thank you very much, guys. Thank you. More chat settings. No, there's no comment filters. Yeah, I don't know. Weird. Act like it too. I tried. There is no other message. There's literally no other message. Maybe try resend it or send it a different way. Because, yeah, I don't know. I think they... Sorry. How long have you been profitable for? About 3 years. Crypto, nah. Fucking Forex and indices only. I have some crypto, but not much. I just realized I got the same chair as you. I need one that I can lay back on without looking at the roof. Bro, this chair. The thing with me is I need a chair that's rated for 8 hours plus, right? Because I sit in my chair all the time. This one's rated for 8 hours plus, and there's fuck all. I was looking for a new chair recently, but there's like none that are rated for 8 hours plus, unless I get like one of those fucking weird office chairs, which I don't want. This one's just, oh, bro. Oh. But yeah, you can't do anything. It's either locked or not. It's fucking annoying, but. Props autofilter, yeah. Ali, how are you? I'm good. Ali. How are you? 3 years, damn, do you do this for a living? Yeah. Yeah, I don't have a job. You trade daily? Yeah, most days. I mean, depends if my setup's there, because my bot it's automated to my set parameters. It depends if the trade's there. You know, it's very rare that I don't get a week without a trade. So the majority of trades I get, you know, some days I'll get 2 or 3 trades, some days I'll get 0, some days I'll get 6 or 7. You know, it's just depends if the setup's there. And obviously I programmed this bot for for specific parameters that you can input. My specific parameters don't always show up, but you can customize it to however the fuck you want. I use 1 hour for high time frame, 5 minute for my lower time frame entry, but you can do 1 minute scalping. And I did that on my YouTube video, and we quadrupled a fucking account in 4 months. So you can do lots of different shit with it. It's very customizable, and I've just come out with a new version as well, and it is pretty fucking good. It took me a long time. Many hours. I start at 4 a.m. in the morning, finish about 9 p.m. Ew, that's rough. No, a good chair, but I need a taller headrest. Yeah, that's what I was thinking too. That's why I was kind of looking at a new chair. But I don't want to get a new one. What do you know about pocket options? Nothing. So your bot will signal when your strategy is set up to take a buy or sell. It will automatically get in the buy or sell. It won't. No, it doesn't have a signal mode, but I could code a signal mode into it. Do I want to? Not particularly, but because like, what's the point? But no, it will automatically get in and out. But the majority of the time, like I'd say maybe 30 or 40% of the time. I actually don't know. I don't know. 30, 40% of the time I'll adjust. If I'm in a single trade, the majority of the time I won't. I'll just let it run and let it hit my TP. If I'm scaling into a position, I will adjust the TPs almost every time to favorable levels, like, you know, big gaps in the market or support and resistance, shit like that. Just basic stuff for profit targets. I don't make it overcomplicated. All right, bro, have a good night. Laters, Henry. Have a good one. E followed me, thank you very much. Oh, yes. Much luck for the night. Thank you very much, bro. You have a good day at work tomorrow. Good luck. No, I get you. No office chair. I want an ergonomic chair, but they're mad expensive. But isn't an ergonomic chair just to do with what support it has? Am I wrong in saying that? Designed to support, an ergonomic chair is designed to support the human body, promote good posture and reduce strain during prolonged sitting, often feeling like could they, oh, maybe they can't. I don't fucking know, man. I got fucking zero clue. I just want a chair that I can sit at. That's why I don't want to get rid of this fucking thing, because this thing's good and this thing's comfy. Like, it's comfy as shit. I don't want to get rid of it. But I want something with taller headrest and maybe a few more adjustable options, but yeah. What the capital gains tax day trading like? Ask my accountant. Yo, what is your monthly PNL? Oh, what up, Red Dog? Sorry, fucking hell. I did message you just before. See how you doing. Did you reply? Yes. Sorry. Yeah, just fucking busy with school. Got 2 tests tomorrow and 3 assessments due next week. Shit, motherfucker. Tom, Sent me perfume. What the fuck? Have you even said anything in the chat, or you just sending me this shit? The fuck? Thank you very much, Tom. I'm very appreciative. It does help the stream, you know, pumps the stream and everything. So thank you very much, bro. I appreciate that a lot. Anyway, Red Dog, good luck with that. Very much good luck with that. What's your monthly P&L? Oh, fuck. I need to save this shit because I get asked this so much and I keep pulling it up. For this month or last month? Last month I did 21.22% on one account, and then the other one I did like 6% on. Zpleglog. Grolgelpies. I was wondering if that was like one of those fucking reverse them and I'm saying like something racist as fuck. Where you from? Brisbane? Yo, how do I start day trading? Join my Discord. And... oh, bro, come on. Jesus Christ. Fuck me. Like, you could just wait for me to respond to where am I from. Is it that important? Yeah, join my Discord, it's free, or do the Baby Pips course, it's free also. Something like that. I got a 1 hour free video for you to watch for the absolute basics to get into trading. And Tom, thank you very much for the perfume again, and thanks for following me, I appreciate that. Where are you from? Oh, Jesus. Yo, how do I start? Fuck me. Whoa, okay, where do I live? Chill, bro, thank you, Bowdy. How long you been trading for? 4.5 years, almost 5, coming up to it. How long you been trading? Is everybody just spamming the same shit? Oh, shit! Bro sent me a fucking Mishka bear? What the fuck? Bro says nothing in the chat ever, and then drops fucking perfumes and fucking Mishka bears. Like, what the fuck? Are we looking at this? Bro, what the fuck? Bro, there's no way. There's actually no way. What the fuck is happening? What the actual fuck is happening? What the actual fuck? Did we all see this? Tom, you have a great night also, bro. You just made my night. Like, thank you. W Tom. Come on, spam it, spam it, spam it, spam it. Come on, spam that shit. Same name, had to give you a gift. Bro, sent a family, paper crane, I love you, a butterfly, a Mishka bear, a perfume, Airy sent a heart me, Bowdy sent a heart me, feeling the love, feeling the love. This guy's fucking psycho. Same name, money. The fuck? Dude, you're fucking crazy. W. What a fucking sick cunt. You made my night, bro. I appreciate that a lot. I appreciate that a lot. And then we got Ari sending a rose, or Aris, I don't know how to pronounce your name, sorry. And Bullish Babe sending me a heart me. Thank you all. Like, literally, thank you all. You guys fucking... You guys are fucking good people. Thank you. It's hard being small and doing this shit, so anything helps, and I appreciate that a lot. Thank you. What the fuck? Like, Jesus. Anyway, I gotta get back in the chat, but thank you one more time. I appreciate it a lot. It was fucking insane. You sell courses? Yes, I have a course. Fuck, I say this so many times. I have a bot that I developed that the people in the course get for free. I also do one-on-ones. I'm available almost 24/7 unless I'm asleep. There's a lot of value in there for a very little amount of money. So, yes. Tom the Real Day Trader, yes. Have a great night. Thank you, bro. You too. Why you hold your mic like that? Yeah, I'm sus. Fuck off. Bro, my love gift got put in Bitcoin. What? I appreciate that. W Tom. W. Same name. Had to give you a gift. Fucking absolute legend. Pick that rose for you. Thank you. Damn, your camera clean, bro. Is it? The problem with this shit, right? So I record in 4K, and it is it's a decent camera. It's not like some fucking crazy thing, but it's decent. I just use it for a webcam too. I don't fucking do anything else with it. And obviously recording my face, which is a webcam. What the fuck is wrong with me? But uploading to TikTok, it just nukes your fucking quality. It nukes your quality completely. So it's kind of shit, but it is what it is. What does your bot do, bro? That's a very... I'll explain that in a second. What is the pathway? Very short. What were you asking before? Like, to my course? What the fuck are you talking about? What? Hey, is your course good for beginners? Yeah. The good thing is I'm keeping it short. I'm keeping it smaller so I can tailor it to, like, I don't want more than like 50 members in there or some shit, you know, so I can actually tailor shit to people's needs and be there for one-on-ones and shit whenever the fuck people need it, you know? So I'm trying to keep it short. So if you're a beginner, then yeah, absolutely. Like, I can tailor it to whatever level, all the way up to super advanced. What does your bot do? So my bot is programmed to get you in and out of trades at certain levels of the market based on technical indicators, essentially. But it's a lot more complicated than that. There's a shitload of different settings and stuff. I go through all of that in the advanced course, you could call it, just in the video on my strategy and everything. Like, I go through it all and how to set it up and how to use it and what it does and fucking everything. So yeah, there's a lot of shit in there. Plus, if you got any problems, you get in a fucking FaceTime call with me, or, you know, a one-on-one call, screen share, you can go through everything. Like, there's no time limits. I was literally on the phone with one of the other guys for 3 hours a couple days ago. Like, doesn't bother me. You guys pay for it, so I want to give the best help that I can give. Better than 240p Pakistani on the last live I was watching. Jesus Christ. Gabs, we can learn together. Yeah, yeah. You team up. That's what I want the guys to do in there, is team up and fucking grow together. Because you're all going to be learning pretty much the same strategy. So if you're learning with other people, sharing things, doing that, it just makes it a lot better. Ask me anything, explain. Oh my God, bro, Soups, sorry, but you have come in here way too many times to talk shit. Way too many times, and I'm fucking over it. Like, one more time, bro, you're out. What is the pathway for being a day trader? Oh. PC software only. Yeah. Laptops, works, anything that isn't a phone. The pathway to becoming a day trader. I've literally got it written down on my Trading for Beginners video. I just can't remember exactly what the pathway was. Learning and education, testing and demo trading, fine tuning, live trading. There you go. Probably not your expertise, but do you have advice for getting approved for a rental? Pay 3 times what they're asking? I don't know. That's interesting. How much is your course? $47 a month. But I mean, if you jump in there, actually, I'm not going to say this because someone did that. And it fucking pissed me off. Do you know what Black Skull's formula is? No. I'll look it up though. Happy to look up new things. No. Seems alright. But yeah, I don't know what it is. Do you set up the queues the bot looks for manually? What? Like, yeah, so you put inputs into it, leave it on the charts, and then it'll do it automatically. And then you just have to check in or, you know, have alerts or whatever when it gets into trades, and then just monitor it, Googling it. Well, I don't know what the fuck, bro, what do you think I am, a fucking encyclopedia? Okay, I'm dabbling in crypto, struggling with reading, understanding the charts. It's probably because you're in crypto and the charts are fucking absolute nightmares. Yeah, that's cool. You can you can join my Discord and ask me some questions or whatever before, you know, join the mentorship. I'm easy. There is no pressure. I literally don't care. But yeah, message me, ask me whatever. That's fine. I'll help you out with whatever the fuck you need. Like, who are you to give advice? Come on, brother. Come on, brother. There's no way. Please don't tell me that's actually you in your profile picture. Please. Please. Please tell me that's you. What's the biggest month you have done? It was October 2023 or November. Or October going into November 2023. Japanese intervention on the US dollar. Hot 6BT. Thank you very much for following me. Do you like nachos? Yeah, I fucking do. Simba, here we go. Some backup. Tom is the trading D1 expert. If you need the knowledge, both me and Tom have you come to us. Thank you, bro. Thank you. Lol, she mad. Jesus Christ. Do you know Nate O'Brien? Nope, but I'll look him up. Is the internet guy? that what you're talking about? I'll look into him. Looks interesting. I might look into him after stream. Let me up. Sound like that Will guy on TikTok? Yeah, I know. I've got that since that guy appeared on the internet. Let me up if you want to laugh. What are you talking about? Let me up. What? The fuck are you talking about? But yeah, I get the Will Gibb thing, bro. I literally, man, I get it all the fucking time. What's the name of the platform you use? I use MetaTrader 4. Problem is, this is his normal voice. That bloke puts it on. Yeah, I know. I say this all the time when he gets brought up. I swear he like studied me and was like, yeah, I'm gonna make videos. This will be funny. Everyone will laugh at it. It's like, thanks. But yeah, should I put it all on red or black? Black. He's such a chill guy. Who's that, Will Gibb or me? Chill guy? You drinking Red Bull at night? Nope, better. Motherfucker, I go to sleep at fucking 6 a.m. I'm literally glued to my computer till fucking like 5, 6 a.m. in the morning. So like, you know. Tui Max, thank you very much for following me. Hey, Aldi Power, bro, so good. Flying Power is amazing, finally. It is. It literally is. Bro, me and my best mate, the vodka Flying Powers, absolutely crisp. Absolutely crisp. So good. I don't drink as much now, but oh. Do you have a trading group or trade by yourself? No, I got 2 groups. I got the paid mentorship and I got the free community. The links are in my bio. Just when you jump into there, hit the fucking 3 dots at the top right. Open it in an external browser when you hit on the link tree because TikTok doesn't like links, apparently. So yeah, we can tell. Jesus Christ. Well, I mean, I'm happy for people, and I say this a lot, happy for people to challenge me because this industry sucks. I'm not just gonna ban absolutely everyone on here that comes and talks shit because this industry is cooked. But if you take too much away from the stream or start talking shit to, you know, anyone in here having a good time, then, you know, you can go. Glad you're putting on display. Yeah, what you gaming sim? Yeah. Just don't even respond. My CRO, hey, credit repair lawyers. What? Followed me. Thank you very much. Bro, no way. I've seen this guy before. No way this guy followed me. Are you fucking serious? I'm gonna follow him back. I've seen this guy's live so many times. I was literally talking about him the other day with, wow, fucking, I don't even know. No way, what the fuck? Is it a fake? There's no way, right? No, it's literally him. No fucking way. Love your work, mate. No, not fake. Bro, what? What the fuck? Yeah, no, I think it is you, yeah. Holy shit, there's a lot of fake accounts of you, though. No, bro, that's mad. I was literally talking about you, like, the other day. That's awesome. Thanks for following me. I'm like a fan. Your lives are super entertaining. How much sleep you reckon you get, Tom? 5 to 6 hours. I don't get like fuck all, but I don't get like a shitload. Kind of in between. I mean, there's some days where I have like 3 hours, 4 hours, and then it catches up to me and I'll be lights out for fucking 8 or 9. But that's only if I do that for like a week or 2. Then let me up. What are you talking about? Let you up? Like, what are you actually talking about? Do you know where I live?
If you don't want to find out about something disturbing,
Oh shit. What do you think of that kid trading pool? I don't know. I don't know. I really don't know. I know he has a financial license, so that's a good start, but the fact that he trades fundeds is a little bit sus. Cool, bruv. I'll look up your bio. No worries, bro. Give it a rest a little bit. Fake lol. As I said, it's the gear. Nah, you're gone. Sorry. I didn't want to do it. I didn't want to do it. I really don't like blocking people, but, you know, many chances, many chances. I don't like doing it. I really don't, because it makes me look disingenuous, you know? But sometimes you just have to. So it's not fake, not fake. Oh, thanks, mate. All good. Is this the professor? The credit repair lawyers guy is. He's the fucking G. For real, what's your opinion on trading pool? Do you think he scams legit? So, I've had to block a few. Have you? I didn't know you're still in here. That's fucking actually awesome. That's actually so cool. Yeah, I'm not surprised. People just come in and, like, I give people, because this industry is so bad, like, I give people many chances because I can understand speculation on all this shit. I completely understand it, and I completely understand people being like, oh, you're full of shit, blah, blah, blah. It's like, fine, ask me whatever the fuck you want. Like, that's cool. But, you know, if it gets too far, then that's when you have to get rid of them, you know? It's just... but yeah, trading pool, I don't know, because funded accounts are very... I obviously have been in this industry for a while. I've seen and know some seriously good and profitable traders, and they blow accounts all the time. They use... What was your question? I will in a second. They use funded accounts sometimes to increase their personal account size, because almost all of them are just trading personal funds. But you can use a funded account to increase your personal account, and they blow accounts all the fucking time. They literally blow accounts all the time. So I'm very speculative as well. He's very good mates with AJ, that AJ currency dude, who I don't think that guy has a fucking clue what he's talking about. Fucking lots of people joining the free community. I think I need to get rid of because on WAP I have the free and the paid, obviously, but I feel like people are joining the free one because they think it's where you can get the bot for free, when it's just not true. How accurate is your bot? Depends. I mean, shit. What do you mean accurate? What's your best day? It was, I don't recall a best day, but my best month-ish was around October, November 2023 during the US dollar yen intervention, Japanese intervention. What kind of money can be made daily if you get good, bro? It depends on your account size. It literally depends on your account size. What do you think is the honest, best free method of learning? Talk to me. I give away so much shit for free. Like, so much shit for free. Or do the Baby Pips course. It's free. It takes a long time. It took me like 3 months to do. But it's a good start, you know? It's a good start. Do you know who Paul Thomas Anderson is? I do not. Sorry. I feel trading pool is lying about his profits. Look, I don't want to like shit on other people that I don't know, and I don't know how they trade and all this stuff. So there's not much that I can or want to really say about it, but I'm very speculative about any single human in this fucking industry. It's a terrible industry. And I had to learn the hard way too, almost 5 years ago. I got fucking scammed on shit courses of people that didn't know what the fuck they were talking about. So, you know, a mate of mine had a big margin call when he bet against Trump. Ooh. Yeah, I scale into positions, so I only use like the Trump election. Oh yeah, fuck, that would have been rough. Shit. Yeah. I scale into positions with very little risk, so that stuff doesn't really happen to me ever. If I was to pop money into an account and let it sit, you reckon chances are it's going to die? What do you mean by that? Like with my bot, do backtests. There's backtests on my YouTube. It just I've just blurred out all the parameters and stuff so people don't just copy my shit. Fair enough. Yep. Paul Thomas Anderson is a director of movies. Is it? I got the Matrix shit all the time because Tom Anderson was like the main character or some shit. I don't know. I've never seen the Matrix. Sue me if I'm not always looking at it. Yeah, you can run it on full auto. You can. It's just not going to perform as good. And if you're going to do that, I would recommend like doing higher time frames, like the daily chart for your high time frame and maybe like the hourly for lower time frame. You're not going to make as much, but it'll be a hell of a lot safer to run on full auto. Election, yeah, lost 750. Oh. Yeah, but I mean, it's a lot to me. Might be fucking pennies to that guy, you know? I'm sure you know some pretty wealthy people. What kind of money can be made with a 50k account? Okay, so on average, a profitable day trader, on average, if you actually know what the fuck you're doing, can make, statistically, this is the average, between 3 and 10% per month. So if you have a 50k account, oh wait, shit, hold up. Give me 1 second. Got 5 minutes to market open. If you make 10% of 50k, you're making 5 grand. You know, that's a good month. You know what I mean? I made 21.22% last month, which was a fucking crazy month. Crazy month. Does not happen very often. Gotta go. I'm live again tomorrow night from 3:30 Queensland time. Pop in and join me for a chat. Of course, bro. Of course. Thank you very much for tuning in. I'm a big fan. So yeah, you keep it up too. See you later. Take it easy. And yeah, I'll probably jump in. What's your thoughts on copy trading on eToro? The majority of copy trading doesn't work. I'm gonna turn the aircon's on fucking 16 degrees and freezing. The majority of copy trading doesn't work. And eToro, I don't know anything about. So, yeah. Was that the first? No, that wasn't the first thing I traded on. Plus 500 was the very first. 4 or 5 years ago. But yeah, copy trading doesn't work the majority of the time. And all these Instagram groups and everything, oh, copy my trades, blah, 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 shut the fuck up. Doesn't work. Thoughts on XRP? Fuck, is this the first fucking crypto I've had tonight? It's usually XRP. What's going on with XRP? what do you think about XRP? I don't trade crypto, but my problem with XRP is, yes, we're at the bottom of a range and we could pump up if we get the right news. We could pump up to all-time highs again, right? It's going to take a lot of volume to get back up to all-time highs, but it's possible. What is also possible is, because there's so much fear in crypto, no one wants to fucking buy crypto right now. We could go all the way back down to 50 cents, which is where we were trading at less than 6 months ago. It's very, very sketchy to get into XRP right now. You could, it's literally like a 50-50 gamble. You got fucking zero clue. Zero clue. So yeah. You from Australia? Yep, Brisbane. You're for Forexo? What? I trade Forex, yep. Can you pay ID me 20k? Yeah, sure. You send me $1,000 and I'll send you 20,000 back. Nah, I'm kidding. I get a good feeling about you, mate. I feel you're honest. Usually I don't believe anyone in the trading game. I don't blame you. I literally do not blame you. And thank you. I appreciate it. That's like why I started doing this shit as well. Because, man, the information out here is horrendous, right? And the guy that I learned from taught a similar, he was an elderly British gentleman, and he gave away a lot of shit for free, and he also had the same thing, paid community. So it's just, yeah. And he was a fucking freak. Like, he's better than me, but, you know, I learned pretty much everything I know from that guy, besides obviously all the basics, and had to drown out all the other bullshit that I got taught early on. But yeah, no, I appreciate that. And I appreciate that as well, Eris. How do I pronounce your name? How do I pronounce your name? Please tell me. Is it Eris? Aries? Ares? Thoughts on Euro US dollar? Sure, Red Dog. You're still in here. What's good? Am I in? Hold up. Let me check if I'm in Euro USD. I don't think I am. No, I'm not. Not on that account. Let me check this other account. EuroCAD, not. Oh no, I am. I'm break even. I'm in a buy at 0.01%. Euro USD. Where the fuck is it? I can't see shit. Hold up. Is it even on here? There we go. Oh, that's a 4-hourly chart. I thought it was on the 1-minute chart. I was like, holy shit. Well, this is the thing. We've had this massive push up, and now we're just sitting in accumulation. So institutions have to take profit on this big ass fucking move at some point. They've all got to turn into sellers. So we could see in the next couple of weeks, you know, drop back down. But it seems like in the past we were happy trading at that level anyway. So we might actually stay around this level for a while. Fuck, we're just in, this is a horrible spot to get in and out, to be honest. Because we could sit around these levels for a year. Like more longer term. Which is what we've done previously. And because 70% of the time Forex is sitting in a range, it's only 30% of the time that it's in a trending environment. So we could just see accumulation just go support, resistance, support, resistance, support, and resistance. But because everything that's going on in America, it's all fucked. There's lots of shit going on in Europe. Who fucking knows? This is a really difficult one. A really difficult one. On the longer term scale. On the shorter term, fuck, it's a bit of a nightmare, eh? Jesus, this is horrible. There's nothing really. Nothing that I would be interested in. I mean, I'm in a buy. I'll be out of that pretty quickly. Euro USD. Where's my profit target? Yeah, I'm out of that at the top of this range. Oh, you guys probably can't see. I don't know if you're on YouTube. I know you sit on YouTube, but I'm out at the top of this range. So, which I presume we'll get to again. We'll start tapping up there again. But, yeah, it's a horrible pair to be trading right now. Unless you're doing smaller time frame stuff, that's fine. But, yeah, I don't know. I don't like the look of it. Anyway. Holy shit. Hold up, ladies and gentlemen. Give me a second. Yeah, he's not feeding us fake promises with high gains like others. Because it's not realistic. It never fucking works. I have found a 1 minute scalping strategy that will blow accounts. But again, I quadrupled an account in 4 months. So, and it doubled the account multiple times on shitloads of different parameters with the bot. So I've got to do more testing on that. It's just time, man. I do not have enough hours in the day. Literally do not. Do you find it hard trading New York session? Depends what strategy. I have an opening range breakout strategy. So New York session, there's lots of volume. It's pretty good for that. So not particularly. I'm not trading New York session at the moment. Where do you go to school? It's a bit strange. The Gap, high, and then Everton Park. USD Yen. I'll have a look at that. Let me just go through the comments and I'll go through that in a sec. Thing I like is he's not a big streamer yet and he wants to have a community below 50 people. Well, yeah, it's just I can't do. The thing is, if I go over that, I won't be able to do one-on-ones. I literally won't be able to do one-on-ones. And I want to do that without having to charge extra. You know, so... Okay, didn't know you didn't trade crypto. No, that's all right. What was it, Cal? XRP. Oh, yeah. Rip. If I put $5 in XRP and it went up, if I left it for a while, what would it go to? Like 8? Like barely, yeah, pretty much. With no leverage, yeah. Fuck all. Please tell us what, yeah, in a second. Like star sign Aries. Aries? Sweet, Aries. All right, I got it. My ex left me for another man. Nico, are you still in here? Are you still in here, Nico? I got some good advice, brother. Don't worry. Please tell us for you. Okay, yeah, I'll get to that in a second. Thought this was some therapy shit. Did not see the day trader part. Thought this was some therapy shit. Are you fucking serious? Oh, fuck. I'll still help you out if you're in here. I've had a very eclectic life, so yeah. What's the best way to get into day trading? Join my community, because everywhere else you're going to get scammed. And do the Baby Pips course. Sammy followed me. Thank you very much. Is your dad Will Anderson? Nope. Yo, sup, bro? What up, Jack? Thank you for following me. Do you find the day trading is all rigged with big players manipulating the market? Not particularly, no. Sorta. You have a course, mate? Yeah, I do. I have like a mentorship. Trying to keep it smaller. But all the links are in my bio. If you want more details, I can run through them if you're still in here. I don't know if you're still in here. What's the best way? I think I just answered that. Yeah. Can you rate my clothing brand? Link in bio. Cheers. Yeah, I'm happy to do that for people as well, because that shit is people hustling, you know? And I respect that a lot because it's not easy. Flex Hub. Let's have a look, brother. Nice. Keep up the fucking, keep up the good work, bro. It's not easy. So, good job. You're getting after it, and I respect that. Regardless of if you've made a fucking dollar or not, just keep going. You get there eventually. How do you suggest starting? Join my Discord. There's a free 1-hour video in there. Just watch it and then ask me whatever questions you want. I'm here to help. Can you share on stream? Nah, sorry, bro. We'll buy the mentorship now, mate, fellow. Will ya? Sweet. You're a Brizzy boy? Fucking oath. Yeah, I'll help you as much as I can, bro. Like, I'm here in front of my computer for 16 hours a day. So, you know what I mean? I'm here to help. How much money do you need to start with? That's a good question. So on average, profitable day trader makes between 3 and 10% per month. So base that off of your account size. If you have $100, you're going to be making between $3 and $10 a month on average. So, you know what I mean? It can be difficult. Can you shout my clothing brand out? Nah, sorry, bro. Luke followed. Thank you very much. Thank you. And I look forward to, if you want a one-on-one, just let me know when you're free and I can try and make time, depending on when it is. Like if I'm at the gym or some shit, obviously I won't be able to, or asleep. Do you know many successful traders who are making big money? Yes. And what kind of money do they make? Do I disclose that? I won't disclose that. I don't think they'd appreciate it, but they're fucking rich, right? They're fucking rich. I literally... do I say this? Yeah, well, I literally got off, I was on a phone call with a very, very wealthy Dubai trader a couple of days ago. It was, I was like, what the fuck? He contacted me too. It's crazy. And yeah, he's worth a lot of money. A lot. Yeah, we'll get in contact for one-on-one. Easy, bro. Easy. More losses than profit in day trading. And is that why all traders sell courses? Yeah. Yep. Yeah, absolutely. Well, think about the statistics. It's between 70 to 95% of traders lose money. So they find the whole fucking, the majority of them have absolutely fucking zero clue what they're doing. And that's why they sell courses. And that's why they sell them for so much too. Because the majority of the time, that's their main source of income. So they have to sell it for, $1,000, fucking $5,000. It's criminal. That's why I have, the monthly options, because you're not going to need to be there in there for fucking, a year. You're not going to need to do that. You should be able to go out on your own, still keep in contact with me, still, for free. That's fine. And you know what I mean? It's just what they do. So yeah. Do you offer paid phone calls? Nah. Like what do you mean? But no, I don't. It's just all in the mentorship. Like, you get it for free. But it depends. If you need me at a certain time and I'm meant to be away or some shit, and you're like, I'll pay you for me. I mean, it depends. There's a price on everything. Oh, what up, Toby? What up, my little lover boy? How are you? Good to see you. Can you teach me how? Absolutely. Absolutely. You can jump in the Discord. Ask me whatever questions you need. Obviously, I have a mentorship and shit like that. It's $47 a month. Costs fuck all. You get a lot of value. I sound like a fucking salesman right now. I don't like it. Would you say trading is a little similar to gambling? It has similar tendencies, yeah. But it depends, like, it's all just calculated risks. You know what I mean? Like, it's... Starting a business is a gamble. If you have no clue what you're doing in business and you open a business in, let's say you open a fucking cafe and you have zero clue about cafes and zero clue about business, you're gambling, right? If you have zero idea what the fuck you're doing on the charts, zero market experience, and you jump in with your money, you're gambling. If you are well-versed in business, you have some cafe knowledge, and you get into a business in a cafe, it's a calculated gamble. So, yeah, betting it is, yeah. Would you do live trading sessions? Yeah, I'd do it in the mentorship. Yeah, absolutely. I've been planning to, but there's only fucking like 10 people in there at the moment, and no one's really asked for it. So, but I'm more than happy to, like more than fucking happy to, and I kind of want to as well. So yeah, I would, and I'd do that for free as well. Like I've got shit in front of me, right? But I don't go through because I don't want to give away my whole strategy and everything because people just copy and fucking blah 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 blah. But like on YouTube, right in front of you. Not everything, it's just the charts, but you can see my trades. Like, I can open up any trades that I'm in and fucking show you. I don't give a shit. It's just I can't show money because I got in trouble. Who are you voting for in the election? I get that a lot. I've never voted, and I never will. Well, I don't planning to. Jesus Christ. I don't plan to, ever. It's just not, man, I got my own shit to focus on. I got my own shit to work on. I just don't have time. It just, yeah. There was this fucking ad that I saw, actually. It was very good. I might bring it up in a second. I don't remember his name. Someone tell me in the comments. He's a real estate guy on TikTok and everything. TikTok and Instagram and shit. Someone say his name. He's Australian. Someone surely knows who he is. Live trades. I mean, yeah. How many times have people asked you if you have a comedian brother? Oh, bro. I think it's like 4 times on this stream, but it's every day, yeah. If I put my hat on, I'm sweet, right? Hat, fine. Like, it's fucking ridiculous. But it's okay. It's fine. Unknown 409, thank you very much for following me. What tools do we need to start with? A laptop minimum. You can't trade from your phone. Anyone who says you can trade from a phone, nope. Virtually impossible. Like you can, but there's no way you can do correct analysis or anything on a fucking phone. So laptop minimum. If you have a PC, even better, but laptop minimum. Do you trade stocks or currencies? Currencies. I also trade indices. What platforms do you trade on? MT4. Tom. Tom Panos. Who's that? George. What? Are we just saying random names? Frederick. Oh, right, yeah. Oh, right, yeah. I'm the stupidest cunt ever. Fuck me. I hope this isn't playing out loud. Okay, it isn't. What's his name? Tom. I don't think his name is Tom. No. He's a younger guy. George? What's his... Get the fuck out of here. What's his name? What's his fucking name? Real estate. Nah, surely TikTok's the way to go with this. Oh, why am I searching TikTok in TikTok? Come on. Where is this fucking guy? This guy. Jack Henderson. Surely you guys know who the fuck this guy is. You guys know him? Bro, this is my fucking brain. Alright, let me get him up here. I saw a video of this guy, right? He was on the news. It was his own ad, which is kind of weird, but fuck, it was good. And I don't particularly like this guy. Actually, I have no opinion on him. I don't know who the fuck he is. I think it's just his personality that kind of annoys me. But is this it?
Is to go and save for your first deposit.
Where the fuck? Oh. Ah, fuck. Wait, this is it. This is it. Alright, guys. Alright, we ready? You're getting my fucking screen. Hold up. Where am I? OBS. Nope, that's the stream starting screen. No, you can go down there. That can go down there. I don't give a shit if you can't see it enough. You're going down there, all right?
Why was that?
Hold up.
Jack, you didn't vote in the last election. Why was that?
I don't really have a political view, to be honest. Someone who's super self-responsible, so if it's my life, it's up to me. And I drive past, there's massive lines, and I'm like...
The line's too long?
Yeah, essentially. Yeah.
So you copped the fine?
Yeah, I think so.
Will you be voting this time?
Probably not, no.
So you feel like policies sort of don't affect you in that sense?
I can have a bigger impact on my life than any government will ever have. So I have this belief that if people spend as much time on their own lives as they do worrying about everyone else's and who can make an impact, then they probably have a much more successful life, and that's the belief I carry.
You run a buyer's agency which has a financing arm. You also own a building company. Yep. What about those of us who don't, say, have all that insider knowledge that you have and industry connections to sort of help create that wealth?
Just as I did, you can go and learn. You know, I didn't start with that. I grew up in a normal household. Mum and Dad grew up in a housing commission in Mount Druitt, and grew up in Wilberforce, which is a normal suburb. Grew up in a normal household, and I was taught to work hard, and if you want something, it's yours to go and get. So go and get it. So, you know, like I said, I started as a labourer in construction, then learnt all of the stuff that I wanted to learn. Lots of people choose to spend their time watching TV and, you know, playing around TV, but like things that may or may not have a huge impact on their life, and I don't choose to do that stuff. So,
Jack, you didn't vote in the last election. Why was that?
Again,
I don't really have a political view.
I don't particularly. Oh no, I just fucked that up. Oh well, I don't particularly agree with like that guy. I think it's just his persona or whatever. I don't fucking know, but damn, bro, that's like. Oh, Musa, what the fuck? Oh, what up? Bro, sending the love. I love it. Anyway, 1 second, Musa. But it's true, man. Like, you got to focus on your own shit. And, bro, I'm not looking into fucking Aussie, these fucking policies and all this shit that they're just going to reverse when they get into office anyway. I just don't give a fuck. It's just, I work very hard on my own stuff to be bothered about some fucking policies that aren't even gonna fucking matter. Like, I literally, it just doesn't bother me. But that's just my opinion. That's just my opinion. Black or white socks? White. Sorry, it's 2025 black. Not him, but Senator Babbitt is such a W. I don't know who that is. What's a treasure box? What's a treasure box? What the fuck's a treasure box? What the fuck's a treasure box? I swear I've had this before, but I have no idea what the fuck it is. Hold up. Let me really quickly go. Frederick, fuck off. White-haired bloke. Lol, we were asking about trade stuff, rats. What? From Sydney, Jack Henderson, he taught me a lot. I've got 5 million real estate because of him. Nice, Jesus. If I join your community, realistically, how long would it take to be profitable if I'm learning? Depends how hard you want to learn. Oh, every day? You could do it pretty quickly. I don't know, because I don't know how you learn. You know what I mean? Like, some people it takes a lot longer. But I wouldn't say very long. Well, yeah, what up, Musa? Bro, what's going on here? GG, Sammy sent caps. What the fuck? Totally true. Thank you, Rock Top Boy. Oh, bro, from back here, your profile picture looks sus as fuck. Focus on political stuff. I lose money and waste energy. Yeah. Aries center portal mute. I don't know. Hey boss, how'd you start out trading? Like, where did you learn the skills necessary? Took me a very long time. I was learning from the wrong people. I did lots of fucking research. I did the Baby Pips course. I eventually found a mentor that wasn't a fucking moron. You know, an elderly British gentleman who taught me a lot. He taught me a lot, and he did a lot for me. And, you know, I just went out on my own. It took me years, literally years. I was demo for 2 years. And now I just teach in the same sort of way that he does it, or did it. People can get coins from it. Also brings people in a stream that hunt them coins. Mad. What a sick cunt. What an actual fucking sick cunt. Thank you. Thank you very much. Swale, Bapilly. Follow. Thank you very much. Yeah, bro, what the fuck? What an actual W. I'm pretty sure, like, how long till we know if you're full of it? Just listen to anything that I talk about. Like, and I don't blame you for being speculative. That everybody around here is full of shit. Where do you find the right mentors? It's virtually impossible in this industry. I'm not kidding. It's virtually impossible. Can I watch up on your vids and start the process? Absolutely. Join the Discord. It's free. And ask me any questions. I've got a free 1-hour video that you can watch, learn how to trade. Just the basics, just the complete basics. And then hit me up on Discord. Obviously, I've got a mentorship if you want to take it seriously, but obviously I got the... Do I look pretty? Where's the Discord link? It's in my bio. If you hit the link tree and then you hit the 3 dots at the top right, and then it'll take you to the link tree on an external browser. You click external browser, it'll go over to the external browser. Bro, what the fuck? What an actual W. I'm pretty sure, like, how long till we know if you're full of it? Just listen to anything that I talk about. You know what I mean? Like, some people it takes a lot longer. But I don't know, because I don't know what you're Bro, what the fuck? That's actually crazy. Wait, the caps are 100 coins? The fuck? That's wild. That's actually wild. Bro, what the fuck? You guys are crazy. You guys are fucking crazy. Aries, what the fuck, bro? Thank you for that, man. Your viewers have doubled, growing fast. Yeah, what the fuck? We love that, though. We love that. I appreciate that a lot, Aries. And I hope I can help you a lot, too. Bro's about to go full-time TikTok streaming, quit trading. I don't think I ever will quit trading, not gonna lie. Like, I really don't want to. I really do not want to, ever. But yeah, fuck. There you go, guys. Chime in, steal the coins, whatever you do. I don't fucking know. What do you even do? I'm not going to steal them because I don't need them, but... Steal away, steal away, steal away. Steal away. Steal, steal, steal. Do I press open or does that take it away from other people? Because I don't want to do that. Yeah, do I do it though? Or does it take it away from other people? What the fuck's a koala refuel? I've never seen that before in my life. No, it'll take it away, but people leave after box is finished. It's alright. Other people can take it. I'm not in desperate need, but... I mean, you set it up, and I feel like you'd rather me take it than randoms, though. I'll do it. I got 2 coins. Fuck yeah. We love that. We love that. Thank you. W Aries, bro. What a sick cunt. Thoughts on people with FX in their name? It depends. It depends. I was thinking about it, but I stuck with trades. It's fine. It's fine. However, the vast majority of them don't know how to trade. Rinramode Sad. Sorry if I said that wrong. Thank you very much for following me. Corey, I look very familiar. Let me see if I know you. I was somewhat well known around this area. Or go look up Will Gibb. It's probably that. Where are you from? If you don't mind me asking, alone. Oh shit! Ari sent bubblegum? What a G. If you don't mind me asking, alone of trading, do you make a living? Alone of trade. Like just trading alone, do I make a living? Yes, if that's what you're asking. I don't have a job. I don't do fucking anything else. Like, you could fucking FaceTime me anytime during the day. I'm sitting in front of this fucking computer. Oh, fuck Musa. Sorry, bro. Sorry. Thank you for the GG, Rose, and Heart Puff and TikTok. I don't know if I said that earlier. I feel like I did, but I just want to say it again. Thank you, Musa. Musa's in here all the time. He's a fucking massive supporter. We like Musa. And the GG. Thank you very much, bro. You tap open. Okay. Have you heard of trader named Ayman from Dubai? No. Let me have a look. Wait, shit. Did I get rid of the music? Oh, no, I didn't. Oh, the music's off. You guys should have fucking said something. Ayman? Let's have a look. I'll just go through the rest of the comments so we can catch up. No, I'll take it away, but people leave it. But okay, opened it, but I never got it. Oh, that's shit. You can open it, but you might not get anything. Shit. W, I got 0. That's rough. What the fuck? It was empty for me a minute ago. Sorry. I shouldn't have opened it. I got 2. Do you have trouble cashing out wins? Nah, never. Melbourne. Oh, yeah, I probably wouldn't know ya. Think you meant what other incomes do you have? Oh, I've some, but like nothing. Fuck all. Literally fuck all. Like I wouldn't even consider it income. I haven't like money stored elsewhere, but actual income, trading. Why am I searching TikTok on fucking TikTok? Bro. This is the guy you want to be your mentor? Jesus Christ. Amen. I can't even see him. I don't even know. Yeah. Lola Montero, who's that? Bro, did you ask this the other fucking day? It was you. I don't know what that is. I don't know what that is. How many hours did you trade a day? Like 1 to 3. There was music. Yeah, there was. Can you hear it now? I'm heading to bed, bro. Have a good night. Good luck. Bro, thank you very much for all the gifts and everything and tuning in. Come talking shit. I appreciate it a lot. So take it easy. Have a good night. Hopefully I see you tomorrow. Come talk some shit. Do you get taxed hard cashing out back to Australia? You just get taxed a lot for being in Australia in general. But not for that, no. I'm gonna go to bed now. School's tomorrow. Have a great night and a good stream. Catch you next time. See you, Musa. Thank you very much for everything, bro. Big supporter. So I appreciate that a lot, and I'll see you tomorrow. How much is rent for your apartment in Brisbane? $540 a week. Night, mate. Have a good one. Sick. I love that. I love that. Night. Are you going as well, Sammy? Peace. I might jump off if everyone's jumping off. Fuck, I've been live for ages. Almost 2 hours. Fucking hell. Holy shit. Holy shit. Bro, holy fuck. Rock Top Boy, thank you very much for following me. Grace, thank you very much. Have we hit 2K followers? Have we hit 2K followers on TikTok? Have we fucking hit 2K? Thank you guys a lot. All of you. Oh. That's cute. That's cute. Thank you, bro. Thank you. Stop sending gifts. You want to join the mentorship. Join that. Save the money. But thank you, bro. Thank you. We're coming along nicely. We're coming along nicely. Thoughts on using funded accounts as the next step as a beginner? Don't recommend it. We can work on it though. We can work on it. Just finished trading gold, buddy. Just discovered your channel. Hello from Melbourne. Hello. Welcome, welcome. I don't trade gold, so I'm not your guy for gold. That's more like Daniel Holmes type shit. Although I don't know how he even trades, to be honest, but that's more his shit. But yeah. Yeah, I don't trade gold. trending instruments, I like mean reversion. Yeah, you hit to go well. Yep, just started following. Thank you very much, Trish. I'm enjoying, don't stress. Yeah, I know, but I'm just like, it's all good. Saving money. Got to keep the motion going in the stream. I appreciate that. What if I don't have the funds for much of a big profitable personal account? That's why I'm working on the other strategy for flipping accounts and shit. But we can do funded. We can try funded. It's just hard, man. As I said, even like the best traders that I know, and they're fucking good. Even my mentor, he'd blow fundeds all the time. They're extremely difficult. But we can try. I've got a funded account strategy, so we can try. Yeah, we'll work on that. We'll talk about that later. Okay, because personally I've been thinking about using a funded, but only to test what it's like with, nope, demo only for tests. Demo only, and then we'll go from there. Test with kind of real money and not go straight into personal. We'll get on a call. We'll get on a call and talk about it. Do you have a day job? Nope. Hey mate, what's good? I heard the emotions with real money is dangerous. That's why I use a bot. Takes away a shitload of the emotions, especially when entering, because you really want that perfect entry. Using an expert advisor takes away a shitload of the emotions, a shitload. And it is fucked. It's really fucked. So, but that's some shit we can work on too. That's no problem. Fuck. I think I'm gonna go to 2 hours. I'm at 1:56 now. I've got work to do. I have lots of work to do. Don't have any questions, but I like your backdrop. Looks cool, man. Yeah. I wish you could see it more. So I got mountains and sunset here, and then I got the whole city over that way. It's a good fucking view. It's a fucking good view. You're a day trader, but it's night time. Come up with something original. You didn't answer my question. You didn't ask anything. You said to ask anything. You didn't ask anything. It might have got filtered. Try asking it again. Is day trading worth it? Depends who you are. Depends what you want to do. Daytime somewhere in the world. Yeah, bro. I get the. Oh, it's not time. It's fucking day all the time. Literally, like on the earliest stream, I had it like 10 times. I was like, bro, come on with something better. 2 minutes. Ask away. Ask away. We got 2 minutes. How do I get into trading? Join my Discord. Discord's linked to my bio. There's a 1 hour free video on the complete basics. It'll help you get into it. And then ask me whatever the fuck you want on the free Discord. And then if you want to take it seriously, join the mentorship. But that's only if you want to take it seriously. Odin's Beard, thank you very much for following me. Got to hop off the charts after sun's down. Yeah. Fuck. Like watch the sunset. I'm like, fuck. I'm gonna turn off my computer now. Like the world doesn't run like the sun. So the world, when the sun's here and it's daytime there, it's gonna be nighttime here. Oh, you can't sleep again? Any recommendations and tips again? Get the fuck off your phone. Get off your phone. same as last night. Put something on, turn all lights off, kick back. Think about some random shit. How many people have you mentored? IRL, 2, like in real life, 2. And then I've only just started the mentorship, so I've got like 10 people in there. What's your max drawdown for your system? What do you mean? Well, I have the option, so I've IRL like mates, yeah. All good, Musa. So I have a drawdown input, so you can set your maximum drawdown. So if you're in that much drawdown and it'll close out. I need to, but I don't know when I'll get around to it, because holy fuck, I just spent 3 months doing, or a couple months doing debugging on my last version. So now I've got the new version. Not debugging on my last version, debugging on the new version with a few more inputs. So I was thinking about putting like a scaling out as well when you get into too much drawdown. But yeah, it depends. Like literally go look at my YouTube video. I can run tests. Like I can put optimization on and change all the parameters and run 1,000, actually no, it's more like 10,000 tests, 10,000 different tests. And it'll do like every single one, but I set the drawdown to 50% max before it just won't show me the results. So yeah, and it depends what time frame you're trading on. It depends how aggressive you're going to be. There's so many different parameters that you can use and that you can input that it's just it just depends what you want to do. All right, thanks again. All good. Trading 212. But oh, what's up, Sean? I'm literally about to go. I was meant to go a minute ago. What apps, websites you use, or you use multiple? For actual trading, I use MT4. Can you show a payout? No. I got in trouble for money shit, so I can't. Sorry. Bro, what the fuck? Really? Why? Because someone had a fucking sook and reported me? That's not okay, Tom. I don't know, it's fucking annoying. I can show you percentage gains on everything. I don't care. But yeah, I just can't show money. And the TAX. Like, come on, brother. What else was I going to say? Oh yeah, what apps? MT4, and then for websites I use Financial Juice and Forex Factory for news and macroeconomics and shit like that. What's funny, Jackson? God. Okay. Nothing. Ah, sweet. Well, I was gonna leave at 2 hours and it's 2 hours 3, but I'm tired as fuck. I'm super tired. What do you know about Nash Gold digital coin? Nothing. How do you trad? Like, it's what, brother? Come on. Don't be talking like that. You're making it fucking suspicious, you know? Screws listening, brother. What the fuck? They be fucking eek-snaying around this place, brother. Come on. Come on, brother. Hey, Tom, just want to know how your day is going. Pretty good. Fucking wrecked, though. Bro, please respond to question. What question? So many people come in and say, respond to my question, but hasn't said anything. Tom, who said something? it was, I'm not even gonna get into it. Hey Tom, let me hold like $50. We went to school together. Did we? Okay, no we did not. Join the Discord, we'll look more into it after this. All sweet, bro. You collect data? What do you mean? Ask me anything but can't say anything. Okay, that's my time, my cue. You going? Yeah. Yes, we kissed in Miss Taylor's class. I don't even fucking know Miss Taylor. Just end stream. Yeah, it's time. Alright, laters, guys. I will talk to you later. Jesus. Anything worth looking at right today? I gotta go. Meow. Thanks for tuning in, guys. And Aries, bro, thank you very much for all the support tonight. Like, really appreciate it, bro. Really appreciate it. So, thank you very much. And everyone else, too. Sammy, Aries, fucking Musa, Tom sent a shitload earlier. It was crazy today. It's been fucking heaps of gifts. So I appreciate that a lot. All right, see you guys later. Meow.